Well, I got the small piece of rosewood crotch mounted. It's about 7.5 inches minimum across here. You can see there's a pretty good sized crack here. Once I turn this a little bit, I'll probably end up putting coffee grounds and super glue in it. But I don't want to do that until I've turned some of it away. This will be the top, this will be the bottom. I'm hoping that some portion of this knot will be in the bowl, but by the time I turn this around, you can see it's already cut into. So I suspect I might just get the base of it or something. I don't see any of it here hardly, just right there. So I don't know how deep it goes over here. Looks to me like this is going to be mostly gone. We'll see though. Okay, I have my tenon, and I've machined this down as much as I'm going to. You can see there's a few features here. I'll have some sanding going on. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this. I may have to take a little bit more off because there's this catch here. But I've got this pretty significant crack, and my intent is to clean it out and then put coffee grounds and super glue in it. I intend to leave this little feature there. Otherwise, it's about done. Okay, I'm getting ready to take off this coffee grounds and CA glue, just the surface here. Here, because this is a dense area, I'm going to have to do this with sanding. We'll see how that turns out. I'm not sure I like what I did there. I probably should have left the gap or been more careful about how I filled it. I'm going to follow this out. I don't know exactly what's the shape I'm going to have, but I'll do something here at the top just to make it more interesting, I think. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put some sawdust in here. I've already done most of it. But there's a pretty substantial crack here that goes along with the one that was on the back. I'm going to just use sawdust this time, so it's going to be a different color. I didn't use coffee grounds this time, so it's going to be lighter. It'll match the wood closer, I think. Obviously, since it's from the wood. But it's a pretty substantial crack, so I want to make sure it holds together. So, okay, that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, here is another piece of rosewood from my series. It's a smaller piece. It's probably the smallest piece I'll make. The results here have been pretty good. This had a pretty good crack in it. It has either coffee grounds and super glue on the outside and sawdust and super glue on the inside on this major crack that runs from here to there. And you'll see it when it comes around. The wood is really nice. I really like working with it. It makes some nice colors. It goes from yellow to orange to dark brown to black, and it's pretty interesting. I had overall had a pretty reasonable time turning this. I did have to fill the cracks multiple times. It took me several times to get it to where it was filled to my liking. I think that's about it. Just really nice little bowl. I think it's about 6-7 inches across and 2 to 3 inches tall. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe for more similar wood turning videos. Please comment on the video and I should respond. I make a video about once a week.